everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the super stories, and today I'm talking about Imbewu, the seed, specifically about KaMadonsela's exit storyline. Imbewu viewers were left off guard after suddenly death of KaMadonsela. Mzansi could not help to wonder what really happened to her character. Yesterday she had a dream la ebebona khona isonto lisha, and she couldn't breathe. She dropped her hand kwaphela kanjalo ngi character yakhe. According to the report guys, uKaMadonsela akayenzanga i-exit scene yakhe. I even doubt ukuthi uyena lo obefa embedeni, but guys, there was no other way. They couldn't replace her character for the third time. You remember ukuthi the first person who was on that character kwaku ufundi Zwane, then kwabesiba uye uKaMadonsela lo oBrenda Mhlongo. So I think it was difficult for them to replace it again, that character. So it was better for them to cancel it completely. Brenda Mhlongo is joining the river on One Magic as Nomafo, a tough woman like Lindiwe, who will be also her biggest competitor, or she'll be Lindiwe's biggest competitor. She'll be joining along with Becky Mkwane, who used to be Ugatsheni on Isibaya, and he will be her husband on the river. Let's check what other people are saying about Donsi's exit on Facebook. The first one said, what a lame exit. Could have at least been fetched by the underground gangs or died in the fire. Manje lento yomlilo nesonto wesonto ebeyiphupha ihlangana phi nokufa kaDonsi ngoba uthule after that ay Imbewu idlale ngathi lana. So omunye wathi seyaphuma vele, then omunye wathi ayibo what happened to Donsi bakithi kanti why Imbewu isizwiswa ubuhlungu. Ayibo nethi, so I saw her hand dropping. I thought she was gonna wake up. Even though I did think of her exit, I didn't think it would be like this. So yeah guys, most people are shocked by her lame exit. Nami ngimangele nje ukuthi ke why evele phuma kanje, but ke as I've said earlier, I think bengasiyena uDonsi loyana, but at the end of the day bekufanele benze something, as she is not coming back kwimbewu, so killing her character was the only option. It is what it is guys. Rest in peace Donsi, you've done well, you've played your character very well, especially the one where kade isangoma khona guys. Yeah, she did well, I don't want to lie. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.